upgrade to a transmitter near Sandburg on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. A tropical storm warning. A tropical storm watch has been upgraded to a tropical storm warning for the Antelope Valley, Calabasas and Upper Hills, Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands, Central Ventura County Valleys, Eastern Antelope Valley Foothills, Eastern San Fernando Valley, Eastern San Gabriel Mountains, Eastern Santa Monica Mountains, Los Angeles County Beaches, Los Angeles County Inland Coast including downtown Los Angeles, Malibu Coast, Northern Ventura County Mountains, Northwestern Los Angeles County Mountains including the Interstate 5 corridor, Palos Verde Hills, San Gabriel Valley, Santa Clarita Valley, Santa Susana Mountains, Southeastern Ventura County Valleys, Southern Ventura County Mountains, Western Antelope Valley Foothills, Western San Fernando Valley, Western San Gabriel Mountains including the Highway 14 corridor and Western Santa Monica Mountains. This is a marine weather statement for the following inner waters from Point Mugu to San Mateo Point, California including Santa Catalina and Santa Barbara Islands. Hazardous marine conditions possible late Sunday through Monday, especially south of Point Conception. Powell Hurricane Hilary, currently located about 280 miles southwest of Cabo San Lucas at 10 p.m. Friday, will continue to move in a northerly direction, reaching our southern coastal waters as a tropical storm by Sunday evening. This system will bring the potential for significant impacts across the coastal waters. Thunderstorm chances will increase, beginning as early as Saturday afternoon, then spread everywhere during the day on Sunday, then continue through Monday. Any thunderstorms that develop will produce heavy rain, gusty winds, and rough seas. While north to east wind gusts of 20 to 30 knots are likely, there is a 50 to 60% chance of tropical storm force winds sustained speeds of 34 knots or greater developing Sunday and Sunday night. Therefore, tropical storm warnings are in effect for the southern waters. A long period southeasterly swell, 3 to 5 feet, is likely Sunday and Monday. This swell will generate elevated surf of 3 to 6 feet across local beaches, especially southeast and south-facing ones. If the tropical system tracks a bit further west, then there will be the potential for larger swells and surf. Mariners should stay tuned for later forecasts. Be prepared for rough seas, should are urged to seek safe harbor if threatening weather approached. South and east-facing harbors like Avalon and Two Harbors should not be considered safe harbors. Marine conditions will likely improve by Tuesday. A flood watch. What? Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Where? Los Angeles and Ventura counties. When? A flood watch is in effect for Sunday afternoon through Monday evening. Flooding caused by excessive rainfall continues to be possible. Impacts. Excessive runoff may result in flooding of rivers, creeks, streams, and other low-lying and flood-prone locations. Flooding may occur in poor drainage and urban areas. Low-water crossings may be flooded. Additional details. Tropical system Hilary will move over Southern California and bring the potential for heavy rain and thunderstorms. http://www.weather.gov/safety/ Flood. You should monitor later forecasts and be alert for possible flood warnings. Those living in areas prone to flooding should be prepared to take action should flooding develop.
It is the National Weather Service in Los Angeles, Oxnard, and we've issued a tropical storm warning for all of Los Angeles County, as well as the mountains, valleys, and foothills of Ventura County. Hurricane Hilary will weaken to a tropical storm as it approaches Southern California later this weekend. The risk for flash flooding continues to increase across the whole region of Southern California, with rare and dangerous flooding possible across the mountains and deserts. Strong tropical storm force winds are expected Sunday into Monday, especially over the mountains, valleys, and foothills of Los Angeles and Ventura counties. To repeat, the National Weather Service has issued a tropical storm warning in effect for all of Los Angeles County, as well as the mountains, valleys, and foothills of Ventura County. The greatest impacts are expected from Sunday afternoon into the evening, overnight hours, and into Monday morning. Keep tuned to NOAA Weather Radio for the latest in weather information.
San Gabriel's the latest weather synopsis. The National Hurricane Center has upgraded the tropical storm watch to a tropical storm warning, which includes Los Angeles County and much of Ventura County. Powell Hurricane Hilary was centered several hundred miles southwest of Cabo San Lucas this evening, packing winds of up to 130 miles an hour, making it a Category 4 hurricane. Hilary is forecast to track north-northwest and north off the Baja coast over the next couple of days and will weaken as it approaches southwestern California. The center of what will be Tropical Storm Hilary is expected to pass near San Diego early Sunday evening, then pass just to the east of Los Angeles County Sunday night. There is still some uncertainty in the exact track of Hilary, and could track slightly east or slightly west of the current forecast. There is now high confidence that heavy rain and gusty winds to tropical storm force 40 to 50 miles an hour with gusts over 60 miles an hour possible in the mountains will affect the warning area. Widespread flooding is anticipated across this area as 2 to 4 inches of rain will be possible, with amounts of 4 to 7 inches in the eastern San Gabriel Mountains and foothills. The greatest impacts from Hilary should be felt from Sunday afternoon through Monday morning. For further information on Hilary and its impacts on southwestern California, please see the latest hurricane local statement /LOX. Otherwise, in the short term, the weather this evening is rather tranquil with mostly clear skies, which will continue for most areas overnight. However, low clouds and fog should develop mainly on the central coast later tonight. From previous discussion, there will be a gradual cooling trend the next couple of days, but warmest interior areas will still top out in the mid-90s on Saturday. Wild conditions will be mostly dry through Saturday. The leading edge of the moisture surge will bring a chance of showers and thunderstorms to the La County Mountains, Antelope Valley, and San Gabriel Valley by late Saturday afternoon evening. All eyes then turn to Hurricane Hilary, which is currently a powerful Category 4 hurricane, currently centered southwest of the southern tip of Baja. The official National Hurricane Center forecast has Hilary remaining a major hurricane through Saturday as it begins to track northward across extremely warm sea surface temperature off the southern Baja coast. From Saturday night into Sunday, Hilary will start to weaken as the storm is expected to track quickly northward along the coast of northern and central Baja. Sometime Sunday night, the official National Hurricane Center track has the center of Hilary coming ashore as a tropical storm near San Diego. The National Hurricane Center had earlier issued a historical tropical storm watch, first known going back to at least the 1980s for all of Los Angeles County, as well as the mountains and valleys of Ventura County. Peak wind gusts of 30 to 50 miles an hour will be possible across coastal valley areas, and 50 to 60 miles an hour or greater across the mountains, including the Santa Monica's. With the current wind projections, a majority of the forecast time period will likely have a Santa and a northeast direction, so those typical offshore wind corridors in La Ventura counties will be most vulnerable. To put this into historical perspective, the last time a tropical storm has made landfall in Southern California was on September 25, 1939. The strong winds will have the potential to bring down trees and power lines as well as power outages. In addition, there is the possibility of elevated fire weather conditions for areas that see strong winds Saturday night into Sunday prior to the arrival of rainfall. Significant strong wind, flooding, and high surf impacts will be possible from Hilary across our forecast area. Rain probabilities and the chance of thunderstorms will increase across the region on Saturday night into Sunday. The peak of the event is expected to occur Sunday night into early Monday, when the threat of heaviest rainfall will occur. A flood watch is in effect from 4 p.m. Sunday to 11 p.m. Monday for all of the La Ventura counties as well as the eastern Santa Ynez Range in Santa Barbara County. The highest rainfall totals are expected to occur across La Ventura counties, where estimated rainfall amounts of 2 to 4 inches are generally expected, except 4 to 7 inches possible in the San Gabriel Mountains and adjacent foothills. For Santa Barbara and San Luis Obispo counties, rainfall amounts of 1 to 2 inches are generally expected, but local amounts up to 3 inches will be possible for the eastern Santa Ynez Range. Peak rainfall rates of 0.50 to 1 inch per hour are expected across portions of La Ventura counties during the peak of the event Sunday night into early Monday, but local rates exceeding 1 inch per hour are possible, especially in La County. During this time, there will likely be optimal synoptic forcing interacting with deep tropical moisture. Precipitable water values are expected to peak on Sunday night at around 2.50 inches, which would be 5 standard deviations from the mean for this time of year. Prepare for life-threatening flooding of small streams, creeks, arroyos, and ditches, as well as debris flows and burn scars. In addition, there will be the threat of rock and mudslides, especially in the mountains. mountains and canyons. Major roadway flooding will be possible, causing dangerous driving conditions. There will be the potential for significant travel delays due to road closures and heavily flooded roadways. It is important to remember that the heavy rain, strong wind, and dangerous marine and kayak projections are very sensitive to the exact track of this system, so please stay tuned to the latest National Weather Service updates. Now is the time to start preparations for flooding, strong winds, and dangerous marine impacts. Long-term Tuesday, Friday, 18/2/26 p.m. By Tuesday, the weather pattern starts to improve as the remains of Hilary exit to the north. Afternoon and evening showers and thunderstorms are possible across the interior portions of the area into Thursday. A return of night through morning low clouds is possible as soon as Wednesday or Wednesday night. The forecast for the Los Angeles County coast, including downtown Los Angeles, tonight, mostly clear. Lows in the mid to upper 60s. Saturday, partly cloudy in the morning and mostly cloudy. A 20% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Highs in the upper 70s to mid 80s. Southeast winds around 15 miles an hour in the afternoon. Saturday night, cloudy with a 40% chance of showers and thunderstorms. Lows around 70. South winds around 15 miles an hour in the evening. Sunday, showers and thunderstorms likely. Highs in the 80s to around 90. North winds 15 to 25 miles an hour. Chance of precipitation 60%. Sunday night, showers with thunderstorms likely. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Lows in the lower 70s. Northeast winds 15 to 25 miles an hour shifting to the southeast after midnight. Monday, showers with thunderstorms likely in the morning, then showers and thunderstorms likely in the afternoon. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall. Highs in the mid-70s to around 80. Chance of precipitation 70%. Monday night, mostly cloudy. A chance of showers and thunderstorms in the evening, then a slight chance of showers and thunderstorms after midnight. Some thunderstorms may produce heavy rainfall in the evening. Lows in the lower to mid-60s. Chance of precipitation 30%. Tuesday, mostly cloudy in the morning, then partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-70s to lower 80s. Tuesday night, mostly clear early, then low clouds and fog. Lows in the mid-60s. Wednesday, low clouds and fog in the morning, then partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s to mid-80s. Wednesday night, mostly clear early, then low clouds and fog. Lows in the mid to upper 60s. Thursday, low clouds and fog in the morning, then partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s to mid-80s. Thursday night, mostly clear early, then low clouds and fog. Lows in the mid-60s. Friday, low clouds and fog in the morning, then partly cloudy. Highs in the upper 70s to mid-80s. You're listening to NOAA weather radio station KWO37, broadcasting on a frequency of 162.55 megahertz. The station is operated by the National Weather Service in Oxnard, California, and transmits from the tower on Mount Lucas in the San Gabriel Mountains. This broadcast is also relayed to a transmitter near Sandburg on a frequency of 162.425 megahertz. A tropical storm warning. A tropical